on schedule?
No. So far behind, it's not funny.
Let's get out of here.
And Ricky, Andrew ripped his pants.
My pants are ripped. But
Everybody grab you.
Squire,
Thank you.
thank you, sir. We're out. You see that game yesterday, by the way?
Of course I was there.
Yeah, I was about to say, bro.
SEC champs.
Yeah, let's go. Oh yeah, that's actually fire. Oh yeah.
Oh my. Oh. Sorry.
Oh my god. It's not to stay for very long, but for today it's the other there.
Yeah, my bad, guys.
God, all I see is Ricky's dumb face. So what? You in the TRX? Skirt, skirt. All right, let's roll. Rollers are gonna be crazy.
I asked him for the Hellcat, and he said,
Oh, I know. Isn't it? Look, I've never seen it. Like I have, but not often. It looks so nuts from like my point of view, like singing on the road, because like I never get to see it.
you touch it, and it's just.
Yeah. You know what? Maybe one day, wrap that, just for content's sake, wrap that the same as that. Oh my gosh. Oh yeah. Hawaiian Punch, 0 sugar. Fruit Juicy Red.
That's gotta be red.
I'm shifting like 8 cars.
Shift 2 down?
Shift down 2.
Okay.
Sorry.
See, I have to put you in that Hellcat chat. I was like, I'm good, man. I'm good. I'll pass on that. This is the Raptor meat, I'm assuming. Dude, Shelby Raptor R. That's Leon. That actually is Leon. Oh, that was cute. Well, let me see that. Okay, all right. Blew your muffler. Wasn't in Athens, was it?
Yeah.
I paid $550 for mine.
$550 a tire?
Yeah. He's probably $2,000. No, mine ain't nowhere to do that. He look like he killed zombies with that.
Alright. So why won't you run a fade with me?
Dude, if I had gloves right now, I would have a scene
You
going
would
right
not,
this
bro.
second. This
You wanna
second.
fade.
I'm ready.
I don't get it.
I'm ready. I will drop a vlog, and it'll get taken down immediately because there will be a dead person on the ground.
Yeah, but you.
That's a good C4 ad.
Just would like to donate.
I'm almost out. If I drank another one, though, I think I'd have a heart attack. So we're going to stick to one today. Oh, my gosh, bro. What's up, buddy? What's up, buddy?
Bryce, that thing's bigger than you.
It is a tank.
really see it.
All right,
That's
so get
beautiful.
ready because you're getting ready to be on one of the biggest YouTube channels.
No, no,
You're already on it. You're already on it. Too late.
no.
What other kind of cars do you have?
I have a lot of demons. I have 4 demons. A Hellcat, GT3 RS, GT3, a bunch of Shelbys. I love American horsepower, and then I love Porsches. So, dude.
I want to hear your Jeep.
How long y'all gonna be here?
I mean, I don't know. It's gonna take forever to get out of here.
It's crazy sounding.
Yeah, is it better? Is it like louder than your TRX?
Probably. Yeah.
Monday, after the car showed up,
I found you. This is beautiful.
I know.
That was good. B-roll.
Damn, bro,
I want to
what?
remind everyone, Caffeine and Octane gear. We have
Crazy.
hats and beanies. By each tent and tell them how important they are.
Cookie.
No.
Go dogs.
Go dogs, man. Go dogs. Hey.
Oh, that'd be funny. That'd be good.
But then you can't hear anything in our reactions. You can't. It wouldn't be.
You need too much.
There's Andrew.
Oh shit! Everybody's in this.
So bad.
Yeah, this is this company's called SoFlo Customs. They take a stock TRX and they make it like a monster truck. The last video?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, it is cool.
You have a great day, man.
Thanks, man. You too.
You're famous.
No.
Them tires just.
What early you doing?
I need this.
Y'all non-drivers. I got y'all.
Oh, he's talking to y'all. This is insanity. This your car? This your car?
These two right here.
These two?
Demon, not much.
And what you do?
Demon.
Give me a job. You know what? If you ever need somebody to watch your car, on vacation,
I'll remember that.
just give me a call. I got
That's crazy, bro. And the TRX, bro.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that shit crazy, bro.
Thanks, bro. Appreciate
I
it.
watch your YouTube too, bro.
Do you really?
Yes, sir.
Appreciate
Yes,
it,
sir,
man.
bro.
I appreciate that. I mean, I guess I will.
Spin the wheel. Spin the wheel.
One like that.
Come on.
Yep.
Scan.
Am I good? Skin? I'm good?
Perfect. Then just show me this one and then you're all good.
Oh, I got 2?
Is this your first time or something, bro?
This is my first time doing this.
Doing good. Very cold.
Do I just follow?
Yes, just follow and you're all good.
Okay.
The earmuffs aren't doing much.
There's only so much, you know.
Florida's
Come on now.
Traffic package.
Oh, no, get a free spin.
Go. Go.
Yeah, I told you. Yeah,
Perfect. Sweet.
Yeah, honestly, yeah.
If we give you a shirt, will you wear it?
Probably. Yeah.
What size?
I'm a large. Yeah.
To organize all your documents. Let's go.
Thank you so much. Appreciate it.
Of course, enjoy.
Is that a turbo? You hear that?
How you doing, bro? I said it last time, right? That's right. That's right.
How you doing? What's up, bro?
How are you?
What am
I want to too. Wait, take the picture. You want to get one next, Juicy?
Thank you.
Yeah, man.
Hard.
See you, bro.
My pants are ripped.
Have to. That's hilarious.